To interpret Credit.com login, start by understanding the purpose of the website. Credit.com is a platform that provides free access to credit scores, credit reports, and credit monitoring. The login process allows users to access their personalized credit information and track their credit history. First, navigate to the Credit.com website and click on the Login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as name, email address, and password. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to your credit dashboard. This is where you can view your credit score, credit report, and credit monitoring information. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. A higher score indicates better credit. The credit report section provides a detailed breakdown of your credit history, including accounts, inquiries, and public records. Review this section carefully to ensure there are no errors or inaccuracies. If you find any mistakes, you can dispute them directly with the credit bureau. Credit monitoring is another key feature of Credit.com. This service alerts you to any changes in your credit report, such as new accounts or inquiries. This helps you stay on top of your credit and detect any potential identity theft. To get the most out of Credit.com, it is essential to check your credit report and score regularly. This helps you track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your credit. Additionally, be sure to keep your login credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. By following these steps and using Credit.com effectively, you can take control of your credit and make progress towards your financial goals. Remember to always monitor your credit report and score, and take advantage of the resources and tools provided by Credit.com to improve your credit knowledge and management skills.